Oh my God. Max, the stage is all yours. Oh, I love it, and I'm gonna say it, but I want to hear it from you first.
You know, it is guitar playing sorcery.
Sorcery, yes.
Oh,
You're a word sorcerer.
Or let's say guitar win sorcery.
Okay.
You know, it's like, man said that movie Tenacious DM or Debug, I'm not sure, he was a Jack Black in it, where he's a rock star and he takes the devil's tooth and then he turns into a phenomenal musician.
Yeah, I vaguely remember something. Yeah.
It's as if they're playing the devil's tooth here. The singing and the lyrics really don't make any sense, just there to add some filler. The guitaring is what this song is all. It's all like guitaring, really. Definitely Breadfan, and I'm not sure what is the issue with him. I guess he's rich.
Budgie.
Yeah, the band is Budgie, but what's the issue with Breadfan? And really?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Why is Breadfan a character? And what is that name about? A mystery to be explained.
You didn't understand it, right?
No.
Same thing happened to me when I reacted to it years ago, and it was phenomenal. It was an experience. Out of all other requests that were given by YB this month, I was looking forward to Budgie because it had been such a long time I reacted to Budgie, and Breadfan is I'm an absolute fan of, and I wanted you to listen to it. Don't you think you reacting to music becomes so much more worthwhile and valuable when you listen to music like this? Yes. So how do you what do you like about the, like you said, the sorcery? What do you like about the music?
Like guitar was really good. Like they really kept it strong and quick. You know, the beginning it was quick and then it was quick, but in the middle something strange happened. It turned into some classic song. But then we started again.
Yeah. So there was acoustic guitar that came in, and then they just took a breather in the middle. They made everything go low and easy, and then again picked up from there, and again, you know, I like the bit when the sound dynamics, they were moving from one ear plug to the other. So it was going from ear to ear and ear to ear, and then drums and everything. The bass guitar got added in, and it was crazy. It was chaos, it was mayhem in my head kind of thing. Songs like Breadfan are not that common. Also, for some reason, I don't know, too many people don't know about Breadfan or Budgie, because people recommend and talk about many other rock bands, maybe because those rock bands have had more popular songs, so they automatically get listed. But Budgie's Breadfan is not something commonly listed all over, when it is a phenomenal, it is legendary, and it should always be in the top 100 charts of rock songs. Yeah, I don't want to drop them ever. If it has to be 100 best rock songs, Breadfan has to have a spot in it of all time. Me saying it after 8 years plus of reacting to music, that Breadfan by Budgie definitely deserves that spot. For you, you are lucky that I was that lucky that I got to react to Budgie and Breadfan on top of that very early on. Like you are listening to it, you will realize the value of it the more you react to music, that this is a true gem. It is a diamond in the rough kind of a song. And it is phenomenal. I loved everything about it. For Max, it was all about the music. It was the guitar playing. It was the dynamics. For me, it was everything that made this song amazing. I like the way it is sung. Although I still don't know. I still don't know if I can clearly say what the song actually means. It felt like it is about someone who's crazy about money or something.
Let us see the lyrics and understand what's going on.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe let's see. So I never promised anything but blood, tears, stars, sweat.
That was said by Winston Churchill. That's what.
Maybe it's a World War II song. So Breadfan is like the army, the seagull is the air force, and the sailors, the navy. So the navies are in all the fun here in World War II doing all the action. Well, Breadfan, the army is saying that no, we are going to do nothing. We're going to stay back home. And the seagull, the air force, is going to pay the price for everything.
Could be, yeah. It could have those indirect hints to things. It's not direct. For sure. So it could be because of the intro. Yes, I have never promised anything but blood, tears, toil, and sweat. And then he is pumping people up.
Yes.
And I think there were people who were going against it, and that's what the song is about. Anyway, it is one of the best songs. One of the best songs, and it is also, I would say, undermined. Yeah, or not as
underrated.
That's exactly the word I couldn't get. Underrated songs. Yes. Thank you, Max, for helping me out there. Yeah, that's all for this reaction. This was requested by our patron YV. You too can make requests to us by visiting our Patreon page. The link to it is in the description of this video. Thank you.